Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, we're analyzing Tesla stock, focusing on the impact of recent news and events on its price movements. Recent news suggests a bearish sentiment around Tesla, primarily due to disappointing Q4 delivery numbers, showing a year-over-year decline. Let's see how this translates on the charts. Looking at the one-day chart, we observe a recent decline in TSLA's price, confirming the bearish news sentiment. The price action reflects the negative reaction of investors to the weaker-than-expected Q4 deliveries. However, zooming into the last week, a slight price recovery is noticeable. We can interpret this as a possible short-term bullish bounce, as investors might be looking for buying opportunities at these lower price levels. Switching to the one-hour chart, we examine the price fluctuations within the day. The hourly candles show a high degree of volatility, reflecting the market's uncertainty concerning the future direction of Tesla. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart. Here, we get an even more detailed view of intraday price swings. Note the considerable fluctuations, which highlight the short-term uncertainty, making it difficult for traders to determine if the recent price drop is the end of a bearish trend or a temporary pullback. Let's zoom in on a specific period on the one-hour chart, say, from December 16, 2024 to December 18, 2024, to observe a period of significant price action and volatility. The chart shows the strong price surges and subsequent pullbacks during this period. Correlating this with the news, we can see that periods of significant news or announcements about Tesla tend to coincide with more extreme volatility on the charts. This emphasizes the importance of staying informed about current events affecting the stock. Observing the support and resistance levels across all timeframes is crucial. On the daily chart, the $400 level seems to provide a strong support zone, whereas the $450 to $480 area has acted as key resistance. On the hourly chart, resistance and support levels fluctuate more frequently, creating opportunities for swing traders. However, these levels are less reliable in the short term due to higher volatility. The $430 to $440 level acts as a short-term support zone on the hourly chart, while $470 acts as resistance. For short-term traders, focusing on the 15-minute chart, identifying immediate support and resistance levels helps take advantage of the volatility. This requires constant monitoring and quick decision-making based on the shifting price dynamics. In summary, the current market sentiment towards Tesla is uncertain, with the recent delivery news causing a decline in price. However, potential short-term bullish trends are seen on the smaller timeframes, while the $400 level shows strong long-term support on the daily chart. Key resistance on the daily timeframe is observed near $450 to $480. The likelihood of Tesla breaking above the resistance levels depends on several factors, including future news releases, overall market trends, and investor sentiment. Positive news regarding deliveries or new product announcements could greatly increase the likelihood of a price surge. Conversely, any further negative news or weaker-than-expected earnings reports might push the price further down, towards the support levels. Keep an eye on the key price levels we've discussed, as well as any upcoming announcements, earnings reports, or significant market events. This will improve your assessment of short-term and long-term price fluctuations.